Hey guys, this is Jennifer with TheWookie Natural, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a quick updo. I'm going to be parting my hair into three sections. The first section I'm going to kind of tie off to the side with a rubber band while I work on the middle section. So what I'm going to do with the middle section is just kind of divide that middle section into two parts, and I am twisting it and moving it across my hair. And so I'm just moving it across my crown like you see me doing, and I'm going to secure it with a bobby pin. I like to use the long bobby pins, and I like to use the light colored bobby pins because you don't always see them when you're pinning your hair up. Now I'm taking the second part of the middle section and twisting it behind it. And so then I'm going to secure it with a bobby pin as well. And so the goal is to try to hide the ends. So as I'm pinning it, you might see the ends showing, but then at the end you will not, because I'm going to pin these front parts in front of it. And I'm just going to twist it like I'm doing into two sections. This one might have three, who knows, because it's a large section. And you can do this as many times as you want, with as many parts as you want. This particular style is just meant to be a quick updo, to not to last for days and days. None of my styles that I do are intended to last for weeks and days and so forth. It's just meant to be a quick pinup style that you can do in a pinch, and then pin it up and then take it down that night or the next day. Now, of course, you can keep it more than a day, but usually I get tired of it and want to take it down. So the last section, I'm twisting my hair in the back. I'm trying to get a good grip and get some more pins. Oh yeah, I'm brushing it. My edges get a little nappy. So if you have a edge styler or a gel that you like to use, of course, do that. I typically don't use gel on my hair except when I'm getting ready to wash it. But yeah, if you want to apply some gel, my favorite gel that I like to use is the Extreme. And then I also use the tried and true, I forgot what that one's called, Jam. Let's Jam. Because I find that they don't flake, it doesn't flake. So if you want to use an edge control, you're welcome to. And like I said, I'm about to go out, so I wanted to do a quick updo with some pins. And then of course you use as many pins as you need. If you see some strays in the videos, then don't worry, I go back and pin them up. But I just want to give you a general idea of what the style is to look like. So I believe we're almost done. I'm probably sticking the last pin in. And what I've done is probably do a crisscross action in the back. I don't show the back, but you get the idea. It's kind of like a crisscross action. So I'm going to tuck in any stray pieces and secure with bobby pins. Oh yeah. So that's how it looks in the back. I do show a look of it in the back. And that's it. you'll see a picture of the final look. So as usual, stay Wookie. Enjoy it, and we'll see you in the next video.